Well, we're back. The continuing saga of where to get cash savings money online. Told you about Wealthfront, told you about Ally. Jerm P told me I should look into Betterment savings online, the Betterment cash count. It's called Betterment Everyday. I'd heard about it, seen advertised up to 2.69%. I've also seen it advertised as 2.44%. And lately, the last time I saw it was 2.41%. So you guys, honestly, I don't know what the percentage is. But I decided to do a comparison between Wealthfront and the Betterment Everyday to see which is the best place to keep our money. Because it seems within this environment, there are no good places. So we're gonna go on site to the Betterment Everyday website and we're gonna take a look at what they have. Again, thanks to Jerm P for giving me the idea. Calling out, thanks for my subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video. It helps the channel a lot. It helps me to make more content for you guys. All right, let's go to the website. So here we are, we're at the Betterment Everyday website at betterment.com/checking savings. Start saving. So remember we talked about I wasn't sure what the rate was. Here, now this is on August 13th, and it's showing up to 2.44 APY with your everyday savings, integrated with your Betterment investments. Every fee wiped out, zero fees. You read that right. With Betterment Everyday Checking, get ATM fees reimbursed worldwide, no account fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balances. And the good thing is, as I said, it's FDIC insured. Ready to start saving? So let's get into the details. Learn how we earn more on our money. Okay. And now it's talking about the checking and savings. Let's go down here. What is Betterment? Up to 2.44% APY. FDIC insurance covering up to $1 million. Access your cash in 1 to 2 business days. No limits on withdrawals. So similar to Betterment. No minimum balance and no fees on your balance. Later this year, you will be able to open a checking account with us. Be sure by securing your spot on the wait list for Betterment Everyday Checking, you can unlock up to 2.44 APY. Now, here's why this is important to me. What is the interest rate on my cash? Your annual percentage yield will be, as of 8/5, the highest APY is offering up to 2.44% interest. But to get that rate, you must be on the checking wait list to unlock it. Otherwise, your rate is 2.19%. What if I don't want to have their checking account? What if I don't want their debit card? Is Betterment a bank? No, it's not a bank. It actually uses NBKC Bank of Overland Park, Kansas. And it actually puts your money in separate banks, which is how you get the $1 million coverage as opposed to the normal $250,000. So again, similar to Wealthfront. What else do we have? Transfers. Is there a limit on withdrawals? Unlike transfers from a savings account at a typical bank, savings has no transfer limits on how many times you can move the money. How long do they take? They take 1 to 2 days depending on what time you deposit it. How long do the withdrawal take? Same thing, 1 to 2 days. As long as it's placed before 2 p.m. Eastern, it will generally be 1 business day after 2 business days. So pretty standard. Now, you guys remember, at this point, there's one thing I read here. Oh, here we go. There are no minimum balance requirements to use our checking or savings platform. This means that the minimum balance can be 0. But one thing to note is the smallest deposit amount you can make into Betterment savings is $10. This is due to the ACH transaction limitations. So, all in all, it's not that bad, but they sure bring you in with some clickbait to get you thinking 2.44. Now, as I showed you before, I've seen 2.69. The website currently is showing 2.44 or up to 2.44%, but I've also found it at 2.41%. So, if you know what it really is, if you have the account, you guys, let me know in the comments. So as you guys saw, most of the stuff is pretty similar to Wealthfront. You got the unlimited withdrawals. It's all ACH transfers. The rate, if you sign up for their wait list for the checking account that apparently doesn't even exist yet, it's going to happen in the future, you get up to 2.44% or 2.41. We're not really sure yet because I've seen them both. What am I going to do? I'm going to stay with Wealthfront because I'm already there. I know it's 2.32 for the time being. I don't have to worry about signing up for another account. I don't have to use their debit card. I don't have to have another checking account. I already have two. I don't need any more. Now, you guys, it's another option. Now, we know, we've already seen from the last couple of months, rates are dropping. They could drop again. If they do, I'll make an update video for this one. Until then, I hope you got something out of this. Look into Betterment, look into Wealthfront, and of course Ally, look into those. They're all good online options, you guys. Just remember, it takes a couple days to get your money. Business days, right? So it's not as easy as just going to the bank and withdrawing money. Anyway, hope you got something out of it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Ring the little bell icon. You'll get notified every time I make a video. I make a couple videos a week.